What's up guys, welcome back. It's UFO187 and it's Facecam time, bro. We have cool Discord reward. All you need to do is just like this video, hit subscribe button and follow me on social media. When you open your Discord today, you will see last Meadow. I think it's game. If you don't see this, just quit Discord. Go here and quit and open again. After you do that, just click here on this, I don't know, on this sleeve. And you will see the game. Okay, start game. It's my Allah. Hello, welcome to the video again. There is a... Okay, bro. Wait. It's too heavy. Next. Okay, attack. Next. Press it, Paladin. Okay, Ranger. Next. What is this? Select craft. Smash. What should I do here? What is this? Craft battle. Looks you run something's more. Try again. Craft. Holy shit. What is this, man? It's like just San Andreas mission, eh? It's funny, what? Okay, armor. Adventure. What is this? Nothing. Why can I not battle, man? Party members. Grass toucher. What we need to do here, man? What? Craft in 2 minutes. Adventure. So man, I don't get it, this shit. Stats. Okay, I wanna battle. It cost. Okay, but what to do now, man? What to do now? Achievements. Leaving party behind. Cancel. Back. Okay, battle. Destroy all targets. But where are the targets? Battle. Destroy all targets. What targets? Discord always made game that your brain made go. What is this? Don't get no driver. Man, grass toucher. Wharf game. Battle. Wrong game. Man. Battle. Destroy targets. Man, don't get this shit. Oh my man. What is this shit for? Wrong game. Man, I don't get this shit. Materials, please. Party members. Okay, you need to spam this adventure. When you spam like me, you're so crazy. I think it's going on. Okay. XP level 3. Okay. Just spam this shit. Wait a second. It's all about levels, what? Okay, I can't anymore. Craft. Okay. San Andreas. Okay. Bam 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 bam. Bam 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 bam. Armor. Can we battle now? Sprout. I don't get this shit, man. Can anybody help or just spam for XP and loot? Oh, these alarm skills. Just spam. I think that's the only way to play this. Spam, 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 spam. Level 6. 100 XP for what? Craft. Battle. Destroy all targets. What fucking targets? I don't get this shit. Costs. Man, my arm hurts. Grass toucher. Geologist. What is with this game, man? I don't get it. I want a battle. I want battle. What? I can't. What? This brings my arm down. Hunter. Is this the only reason why I clicked this? Man, my arm! Okay, I'm enough. I cancel this, guys. If you can't beat this, tell me in comments what we need to do in this shit. Materials. Man, I don't play Clash of Clans. Battle cost. No. No, man, I don't know what is here. Okay, I beat to level 10 and it's enough. I don't get it. You need to spam, okay, to get materials, okay, gonna go battle. What now? Destroy targets. Man. Okay, I am enough to level 10 and that's all. Tell me in comments if you pass this game or if you finish it. I don't get it, man. I just turn my camera and record. Craft. Bam 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 bam. Bam 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 bam. Bam 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 bam. Okay. Craft successful. Nice. Can we go battle? It's enough. I don't play this. I can't anymore. I don't know, guys. If you beat this game, tell me in comments. But I don't get it. If you love the video, like, subscribe the channel, and come to my TikTok too. Use UFO187 in search. Bye, guys. Tell me if you beat this game. I don't know.